Hi lovely, you're welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been great. So this is the last tour of this house. This is where I live, or will I say used to live. So I'm going to be moving out, but I just want to show you around. This is like the last tour before I move out. I'm already packing and getting ready for a new location, but before all of that, let me quickly show you around one last time. The next video is going to be all about packing and then the move. So come with me. I did not capture everything here, like the kitchen and some other parts of the house, but the lounge, the bathroom, the bedroom, this is just it. This is like 2.5 bedroom, or they call it 3 bedroom. But I say it's 2.5 bedroom. The other one was so small. And you've got one kitchen, one bathroom, and one lounge. So this is it. Let me show you around. Come with me. Okay, and in here is the sitting room. Let me take you around. So this is it. Most times I don't even go up to my room, like I stay down here. Okay, so this is it. And I've got a mirror. I just have mirror in different places in the sitting room. I love mirror. And I got all these things free from Facebook Market. So most of the times I spend my day, if I'm at home, it's usually going to be on this couch because it's soft. So maybe from watching the TV and then I sleep off on this couch. It's long, so it could contain me. And this smaller one is still okay, and stay here, use my system. I barely go upstairs. And this is a small table. I use it for dining, so I usually eat here. Sometimes I do eat there as well, but this is meant for food. I do eat here as well, but 90% of the time I eat here. And just a few times, maybe snacks, I could stay here to eat. And this is a fireplace. Since I moved in here, I haven't used this fireplace one bit. I don't even know how to use it. I haven't checked on how to use it. I don't even care about it because this place is well insulated and the heat is serving. And the heater and the radiator is serving. So this flower, I got it from Facebook Market, the mirror Facebook Market. Everything here is from Facebook Market except that Pampas grass. The Pampas grass is from, I think one of the days I was driving, I just saw the Pampas grass. It was still wet, like fresh. I stopped the car, came down and cut some. And this is where it is. It's been here for, let's say, how many months now? It's been here for a while and it's still okay. And yeah, that's light. Let me put it on. I got this from Facebook Market as well. And this is the light. Let me show you the other light. This other light, I think I prefer this. I love this more. Okay, so this light, I love this light. So I love that light. I love that than that. Let me switch the light off so that you see the beauty here. Okay. What again? So that is it for the sitting room. It's just simple. And actually, these chairs, when I saw the guy advertise it that he was selling it on Facebook Market, I first got this one. No, the smaller one. The smaller one. And when I got there, he said he was letting go of his other seat, which is this one. So I just dropped that one and then got this one again. What else did I get from him? I also got the TV stand from him. So the TV stand is not wide enough, but it could contain the TV. This is 52 inches, the TV. I noticed that the legs, they were able to stand. So I left it like that. It's not gonna fall, so I just left the TV like that on it. And that is it. So I got 3 things from his place. The 2 seats and the TV stand. And they were all free. And this artwork, yeah, they are all from Facebook, as I said, and I love it. I love the position. I love how it is. So most times I film my YouTube video here. This is the position I film my YouTube video. And I think that's basically the best corner in this sitting room for me, except here that I could just, focus on the TV. Is there any other thing to show? And this big mirror. I love this mirror. So this is, get ready, check yourself out, and go where you're going to. All right, let me take you around to other places. Yeah, this corner here is the meter. I don't know if you needed that, but anyway. All right, and I've shown you this mirror before. Okay, so I just keep letters and things here. So once I receive the letters, I just open the drawer and put it in there. And that's my tripod stand and ring light. Over here is the store. So I keep cartons of things that I already bought in here. Oh, the TV is 55 inches. I even forgot. And the packets of things that I bought in case when I'm packing out. When I'm moving out, I could repack them and put it back in. So, and coming over here, that's the kitchen. And when you open the door, you see the shower room, and this is the laundry. We've got the washing machine and the cleaning stuff in here, and over here is the toilet and the bathroom, and I've got another mirror in here. No, I'm not crazy about mirror. I find it that mirror kind of when you see the reflection of the space behind you, it makes it bigger. So when you have a smaller space and then you have a mirror, it makes it bigger because you're seeing the reflection of what is at the back in the mirror. I love to have mirror around a place. It makes it more beautiful. And I've got this small mirror. I also got this from Facebook Market, but everything here is Facebook Market. This most of the things here. Most of the things here anyway. And this air freshener. I got it from Morocco. Smells nice, and they said it's going to last for 3 years. I don't know. I just kept it there and it smells okay. This towel dryer. I've got my hand towel, body towel, and over here is just basically everything here is for my hair. Hair care product. This is the only thing that is for body. This is the body wash. It's almost finishing, and every other thing here is hair. I care for my hair more than I care for my skin. Funny thing. I should be caring for my skin more. And that's the toilet. And what do they call that again? That wooden stuff. When you're in a bathtub, you could use the wooden stuff to keep things like your phone, your drink, and things like that. And here is the bathtub. This bathtub, when I was looking for a house, I specifically wanted a house with a bathtub. And I was lucky this house was just renovated, so they put in new stuff in it. And the bathtub has been saving my life because most times when I'm stressed out, I just want to have a soak, and it kind of helps me, relieves me. So sometimes I watch movie in here. I even typed, like when I'm maybe working from home sometimes, I come in here, I use that wooden stuff to keep my laptop, and I type as I'm soaked. The feeling is something else. I like it. So sometimes I just do that. And that's the shower. It has a glass covering, shower glass cover. Yeah, shower cloth. So when I moved in here, I was thinking of putting a shower cloth over, like from this point up to the window side, so that you could cover this other area. Because sometimes when you're bathing, like the water is going to splash everywhere. But with time, I just got used to it. So when I'm bathing, I just close this other one. Once this is closed, everything is fine. Unless maybe if I have a visitor and they don't know how to use it, maybe they bathe from this other end and then water splashes everywhere. But most times, once you stay in that corner, you're protected. This protects you. Even the water that splashes on the floor is not that much. So I decided to leave it. And I noticed that putting the shower cloth, the shower curtain. Oh, yeah, now I'm... The shower curtain, now I remember what it's called, the shower curtain. So I also thought putting the shower curtain is going to make it so crowded and untidy. So I left it like that. And that is it. Okay. Any other thing to show? There's nothing else to show you in the bathroom. But I love how simple it is. I thought about designing it and making it look more beautiful, but I think it is okay. One of the things I tried to do was hanging this on the wall and putting the product in it. But I think I hung it, it stayed for a day and then everything fell out. So, and I don't want to open any hole. So most of this stuff that we use in hanging things, they're not really that strong. So I decided to just keep it by the window, and I think it's perfect here. It's perfect here with my hair stuff, my shampoo, conditioner, and the rest of it. Okay, and that is it for the bathroom. So when you're brushing your teeth, look at yourself in the mirror. Okay, so going up now, I'll show you the kitchen. So I thought I had the video of the kitchen, but unfortunately I don't have it. I've created so many contents in that kitchen, cooking and all that. But I just had a glimpse of it, and this is it. It's just, I couldn't like vlog about the kitchen, but this is just a glimpse of the kitchen. And over here is the kitchen. And over to the bedroom. So this is me just trying out black bedsheet. This was the first time I tried out black bedsheet. I'm not a fan of black bedsheet. I prefer to have warm white, something more neutral and not dark. But here we are, and the black wasn't so bad. So this is the bedroom, the main bedroom. The other bedroom is still the same size. I did not capture that. And also the other small bedroom, I just used that as a closet. But this is it, and this is all about this house. I'm going to miss it. I had so much and so much memories here. It really served me. I stayed here for 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. So it was worth it, and I loved this place. It was really good. And I love my neighbors as well. They were very accommodating, good community. But this is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do take care. Bye.